Good afternoon, students. Today, today we are going to study about bleaching powder. We have completed all the 3 lessons, isn't it? Now see, for revision, I have selected some of the topic, and if you are having any doubt, you can send it to me so that I can continue it in next class. So you can just see bleaching powder. We are going to study about bleaching powder. You can see CaOCl2. First of all, how we are writing? Calcium oxychloride, or what we are saying it as calcium hypochlorite or chloride of lime. Any name you can say. Okay. So you can see here raw material for the manufacture of bleaching powder. So what in all raw materials are required for forming of manufacturing of bleaching powder? You can see first of all slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice, that is calcium hydroxide, and another is chlorine. तो these two raw material are required for the formation of bleaching powder. ये दोनों चाहिए बनाने के लिए bleaching powder को. Now calcium hydroxide is formed by dropping water on quicklime. Now question arise, how we are getting calcium hydroxide? Children, when calcium oxide, which is quicklime, is treated with water or water is allowed to pass, okay, that time what happens? What do we get? Calcium hydroxide. And how we are getting chlorine? Chlorine is obtained in the electrolysis of sodium chloride solution, that is brine. On electrolysis of sodium chloride solution, that is the solution of sodium chloride, we are calling it as brine. Okay, we are getting chlorine as one of the byproduct. Okay, now see the two react as follows. So you will see calcium hydroxide and chlorine. They react together and they form CaOCl2, or you can say CaClOCl. You can see like this. This is the formation of bleaching powder. Calcium oxychloride and water is released. Now see, bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. So you have to remember that how the bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Okay, this must be dry. Now see, what are the uses of bleaching powder? For bleaching clothes, linen, wool, pulp, etc. For sterilization of drinking water. That means to make the drinking water germ free or disinfecting it. For that purpose also we need bleaching powder. In rendering wool unshrinkable, with the help of this bleaching powder, what happens? Wool become unshrinkable. इसे कुड़ता नहीं है. In the manufacture of chloroform, it is also used as an oxidizing agent in the industry. So you have to learn beta this and all. Okay, see this video again and again, you will understand.